Hey everyone, Mike Sherry with Paul Sherry Used Cars. Today I've got an interesting, it's a 2014 Ram CV van, which stands for cargo van. In essence, this is built on top of the Dodge minivan, the Caravan chassis, but it's upfitted with some commercial items such as the suspension and a couple other things that I'll show you that makes this a great work van. So if you have some type of mobile service, this might be something definitely to put on your list. And I'm going to do the review. I just got done driving it. Drivability wise, brakes felt good. I went through all the gears just fine. I'll flip this camera around. Interior, there's no lights of warning on the dash or anything. There is a crack right here in the cluster, I guess the outside glass, but it still fully functions there. It does have cruise control. This is a front wheel drive van, so it's going to get really good fuel mileage, and being front wheel drive, you're going to be able to get through the snow just fine. Also has hands-free connectivity for your cell phone. Headlight control, does have power windows and power locks, as well as power adjustable mirrors and heated mirrors. So if you're in the colder climate, you're going to be able to get that frost right off of it. Shifter knob here, radio controls here, all that works. Heating and air conditioning down here, and then a couple beverage holders that pull out, and then you have a couple power sources down here. Seats all look good. I don't see any rips or anything in them. Does have the factory books in it, and glove compartments and all that's really clean. Let's take a look at the outside. You can see the seat doesn't show excess wear or anything like that. Really good chassis. We rented one of these here at the shop, and we have 500,000 miles on it, on the original engine, original transmission. This is again a 2014. It's the brilliant white. It does show a little bit of rock chips up front here in the bumper, almost to be expected. Does have the Adrian steel ladder rack. That's a dual ladder rack. You can fit up to 2 ladders. The tires look really good. The date on them is 2018, so these aren't original tires. They have been replaced, and there's a decent amount of tread on them. Now what they've done to make this a cargo van is they've removed the glass, inserted these panels in here. One, it's just, you don't want something to hit the glass and to break it on the cargo area. So it does have 2 sliding doors, one on both sides. Got this mesh rack here to protect from any contents getting up into the driving cab there. Overall, the body looks really good. Couple little scratches here and there. Again, remove the glass out of here, put in the panel there. Again, the Ram CV van, cargo van. Does have the rubber mat down here, helps keep things from sliding. 2 shelving units that are secured to the wall. This is a factory van as well, so it comes right from Dodge. Little scuffs here in the bumper, just minor paint work there. Rear tires look really good. 17-inch wheels on this. Overall, this might be something for your business, for your services that you offer, that can really make your life easier. Great riding van, upgraded suspension on it as well for the commercial use. So if you have any questions on this, feel free to contact us. Financing is available. I'll post a link below where you can get pre-approved on this right from your home. If you have something to trade in, we'd love to make you an offer on it. We'll give you top money for it, and we can do that right through the link below as well. So thank you for watching, everyone. I hope this makes your purchasing decision a little easier, and hopefully we can earn your business.